Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to exit the Sims mobile application. Exiting the Sims mobile application can be done in a few different ways depending on whether you want to completely close the app or just leave it temporarily. If you want to leave your app temporarily and just exit, then all you need to do is to simply swipe up from your bottom of your game and press on the home button. You can also force close the application by swiping up from the bottom of your mobile device and pushing upwards for the app card. Doing this will force close your Sims mobile application and you can easily exit from the game. So that's how simple it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.